I'm going to show you how to allow all calls on your iPhone. So if you're missing calls, maybe you have some settings turned off. I'm going to show you how to allow all calls on your iPhone. So let's go to the settings. And the only thing you really need to do here is go down to the bottom where it says apps and go ahead and go to search and just type in phone until you find where it says screen unknown callers, and you want to make sure that your setting is on never. Make sure that is checked on. You don't want your calls to be silenced or anything like that, so make sure that it's on never. The second thing you can do is under call filtering is make sure that you have unknown callers turned off. As you see, my spam is turned on. That will not necessarily block calls, but it will just let me know that the calls are spam likely or probable spam, but that will not block those calls. But those two settings will allow all of your calls to come in through your iPhone, but that's it. It's super simple and super easy to allow your iPhone to allow all the calls that are